going to be sharing with you what I'm going to be making for lunch. Very quick, easy, and healthy. Since Emily's not home today, I've taken over the driver's seat for the stovetop. I'm training a lot and working a lot as well, so I wanted something that was quick and fast. I thought I'd share with you what I'm doing for lunch today. These days, I pretty much follow a diet that's high in carbohydrates, low in protein, and low in fat. Basically, a large amount of fruits, starches, and vegetables, of course. I find this perspective keeps me lean, full of energy for my workouts, and full. So, today I'm going to be sharing with you this recipe that I just thought of, probably about 15 minutes ago. It is my version of 5-spice fusion pasta. Let's get straight into it. I've got gluten-free pasta, in this case buckwheat pasta. I've got some chopped garlic, some king oyster mushrooms that are chopped as well. Feel free to use any other types of mushrooms. I personally love this variation because of its texture. I've run out of fresh veggies today, so I've opted for frozen ones. Feel free to use your own chopped veggies if you want. Preserved sweet radish or turnip. Available in the fridge at all Asian grocery stores. This ingredient gives the dish a little crunch and extra flavor. For seasoning, I have Chinese 5-spice powder, once again available at most Asian grocery shops, or in the spice section of your supermarket. Gluten-free soy sauce. You can use normal soy sauce if you want. Some palm sugar or gula melaka. If you don't have this, feel free to use other sweeteners like brown sugar, maple syrup, or coconut nectar. I prefer using sweeteners that are more natural and nutrient dense. Sesame oil and black pepper to taste. Boil your pasta. And while your pasta is boiling, add in your cut veggies into a non-stick pan. Add your chopped garlic. Add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add about 1 teaspoon of sesame oil for flavor. Drizzle 1 teaspoon of palm sugar for sweetness. Just a pinch of 5-spice powder. And just stir fry until mushrooms are softened. When done, set aside on a plate. Now put in your drained pasta in the pan. Add in chopped garlic and stir fry. Pour in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. A small sprinkle of 5-spice powder again. And just mix it through. Now add in the veggies that you fried earlier. And just stir through. Add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of preserved radish or turnip. And just mix it through. And you're done. Add some cracked pepper, and voila! So there you have it. 5-spice fusion pasta. That took me a total of about 20 minutes tops. Really quick, easy and healthy, and it's done in a flash, as you can see. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, comment below, or share it with your friends. My name is Luke. Always remember to feel positive.